Yeah. Yeah. Run me the whole thing. Come back without a nose ring. Supersonic, how the flows be. You can watch it from the nosebleeds. $2, I'ma do $2. To demolish any group of scholars. Being honest, you are not a baller. You golden, I'ma do cobra.
First got it when he was 6, didn't know any tricks. Matter of fact, first time he got on it, he slipped. Landed on his hip, busted his lip. For a week, he had to talk with a lisp like this.
Alright, we're good. Sick.
Ready to go?
Yeah, we're ready.
Okay. Real young hood rat here, little baby out here at the shooting range and shit. Real gangster shit, real gang shit out here. Let's go.
Hang on a second. If you want to.
You ready?
Yeah. You ready? Yeah, I'm ready. Oh, you're ready though. Oh, here's the thing, I'm left-handed.
Brace, Angel. Brace. How? Brace, like pull your weight like in front, cause that's like you know, kind of like this a little bit. What? Oh yeah.
How was it?
It was fine, actually. I was there a little bit. Dude, just don't. I was not ready for that.
Ready? How is it shooting? What? Brace for it.
I can't grab it here.
Yeah. Okay. It's a guard hanger for a reason. That was good. We're only halfway. Wait, hubby, how many rounds did you guys buy?
We got 40 because only one mag is 20, so we're both in this. Bro, body shots.
Body shots, bro. That's how I do it.
Let's go. How was it?
Exhilarating.
I don't know how many I got in this mag, so I'll shoot it.
You're warm.
Yeah, dude.
Can I keep this?
Huh?
Can I keep this?
Yeah, we can.
I can pull your fucking.
Oh, your pants.
Oh, bro. I'm sagging, bro. Don't look at my ass.
So that was mine.
The gun.
Yeah, no, I'm showing my freaking score. That's my score. That's Angel. Nice one, Angel.
I don't know if I put these fuckers on right. Hey, it's better than without. Than without.
Yeah, of course.
Bobby, you want to try shooting?
Has no ammo in it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Holy shit.
You were aiming for the head on that one.
Nah, I was actually aiming right here, but actually one little over.
Preston, can you grab it?
Fucking cartridge.
Natural born killer, bro. I shouldn't be saying that.
You should not be saying that, you fuck.
I'm a nefarious ass dude. What can I say? Rami. I come in nefarious.
You're getting too close to the camera.
That one was way too fucking strong. I could feel that shit.
Yeah, it's because it goes fast.
I can't see him.
I told you.
What? Oh, he finished?
Yeah.
The most accurate man on the team. Ace sniper, bro.
Bryson's gonna finish off our bullet too.
Record this back. Alright. I'll buy this gun. Magnum.
Paddle hit it.
Let's go.
Oh, nice.
Did you get it on?
He got it like right on the 6 almost.
Low.
Is that? Yeah, it's a 6. A little off, but very close.
Very close.
Could have done better. You for that one, sir. Where am I putting the bullet?
Dead center.
Dead center.
Dead center. It never went.
Close. Not.
Fucking hair.
You gotta need a hair braid, bro.
Mom's been giving me one, but I don't like wearing
Got
it.
like more dang. I want to try a shotgun. But
If you want to try a shotgun, get a shotgun, Jin.
I touched the fucking bar.
I forgot up.
I think that one's mine.
Sadly, that's all the footage we have for this video. But leave a like, comment down below, and tell us how we did. Do you guys want to see more? And if you haven't already, make sure to check out Master Gardener, Rufus Rufus, Big Juicy Man, and myself.